And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Just take that in for tomorrow. Our first 70-degree day of 2022. And mind you, it is a good 2 weeks ahead of schedule in Greater Lafayette. It's up to 3 weeks ahead of schedule in our northeastern counties. More clouds later on in the day, but a good deal of sun for much of the morning through the afternoon. Wind gusts at times 40 to 45 miles an hour out of the south-southwest. But hey, we'll take a 74 at Lafayette, a 75 at Attica and Covington, 74 at Crawfordsville, 72 Flora and Monticello, even Winnemac up to 72 degrees. And the record high for tomorrow at Greater Lafayette is 76. Set in 1983, and those records go all the way back to 1879. All right, after a couple of waves of showers and thunderstorms Saturday night between midnight and 4 a.m. with the potential of an isolated severe storm, then we dry out on Sunday, and with partly cloudy skies, we've got a 61-degree high, though it may start to cool a little bit later on in the day as the west wind becomes a little bit more northwest, but still gusts 30 to 40 miles an hour with 50s in our northwest, closer to 60 in the heart of the area, but you may see 62 to 64 down in our southeast with that brisk wind around. Then we look ahead to Monday, and we're looking at periods of rain, kind of a nasty day because there's going to be a lot of wind. Wind sustained 15 to 20, gusts up to 30, but periods of cold rain. It will begin to mix with snow. It may even change to snow in our north by evening as temperatures begin to fall. 38 at 9 o'clock in the morning, but we're down to 35 by 5 o'clock in the evening, and our wind chills running in the 20s. For the viewing area as a whole, notice by 5, this is by 5 o'clock, temperatures will be falling to about 32 or 33 in our north. So this area will be changing to snow at that time, and a little snow may be mixing in as far south as, say, Highway 18, perhaps even Highway 26, with wind chills again running in the 20s. So let's dig in. This is all Virga. This is early tomorrow morning. This will not reach the ground. It's just the really warm air coming in, and there's all the warmth tomorrow afternoon. You see all the sunshine around, but then we begin to cloud up, and note all the storms out here in Iowa, parts of Missouri, and that severe weather risk will carry into parts of western and northwestern Illinois and Wisconsin. And you see some of the showers and storms right here and a few more back here. They begin to come into our area. One little wave comes through closer to midnight or 1, and then you have this other little wave that comes in from the west. Again, isolated severe storm cannot be ruled out, but much of the severe weather risk is right here. And then it's better on Sunday, but look at all this rain coming in Sunday night with even a little thunder. And watch the rain end as a little bit of snow right there later on Monday and into Monday evening. A little rain late next week, and then this is what we got to watch for a week from this weekend. Clipper here, a storm down south, and they may phase, and if they phase, look at that, we may see snow that accumulates in the area. There's your bigger severe weather risk. This yellow shading, that's much higher severe weather risk. That's slight risk. But the gray is isolated severe, and you see some of the parameters getting in just in time for Saturday night, with a total of generally about a ½ inch to 1.5 inches of rain from all this Saturday and into Sunday. So that said, 74 Saturday, 61 Sunday, 38 and then starting to fall a little bit on Monday, 44 Tuesday, a little warmer by Thursday, and then there's the much colder air coming in, and next weekend, highs in the 20s with snow.